Good morning, students. In this session, we are going to discuss about Human Genome Project, HGP. See, it helps in identifying all the genes. Okay, so HGP was first proposed in 1986 by the most ambitious project ever undertaken by a biological science. See, the goal was simple: complete the characterization of genetic makeup of human. Now, it identifies all the genes in human DNA. The method involves mainly expression as RNA, expression of all DNA genes as RNA, and one more is sequence annotation. See, the sequencing the whole set of genome is taken that contain all coding and non-coding sequence, and later assigning different region in the sequence with function. The salient features of human genome are that there is approximately 30,000 genes, and out of these 99.9% nucleotides bases are exactly same in all people, and function of over 50% of discovered genes are unknown. Less than 2% of genome codes for protein, and repeated sequence make up very large portion of human genome. See, the complete sequencing of chromosomes 22 followed by the sequencing of 21 chromosome, and it was done in May 2000. Then human reference HURE, okay, that created a history which was considered as biologist equivalence to landing on moon. The human genome of Watson was studied by HGSC. Clear? Now, let us discuss about chromosome 1 has 2968 genes, whereas chromosomes Y has only 231 genes. Single base DNA differences occurs in about 1.5 million locations, and identification is helpful in finding chromosomal location for diseases associated with sequences and tracing human history. See, total human DNA sequence almost 7-folds by entry of the private companies is covered. Now, in simple way, we can say that goal of Human Genome Project is to diagnose diseases, providing genetic counseling to those considered having children. Then abnormal genes is located, and many disorders of genes which are known as single nucleotide polymorphism or inversion and deletion, copy number variation and inversion are known by human genome sequencing technique. There are many issues related to Human Genome Project. See, some people may attempt to use this information for profit or political power. Many companies, like insurance companies, may refuse to insure people at genetic risk, and there may be attempt to breed out certain genes and people from human population in order to create a perfect race. So, it may be some that non-human organization, maybe there Sir, so all these points should be noted down properly and just go through it. Have a nice day. Thank you.